Another Sunday cook. Today we're going to cook Dong Po Ro or braised pork belly steak. Ginger. Let's boil our pork belly, skin side down, and ginger, and Chinese wine. Let's boil this for 15 minutes. Away tayo string. Maluwag. Done. Put in this. The ginger. Let's put in the pork, skin side down. Brown sugar. Ito lang. Put in laurel. Cinnamon. Star anise. Cooking sake. Tossing wine. Light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Let's add some water. Pressure cook for 1 hour. Give a break. Opo! Wow! Dong Po Ro. Now for the taste test. Ada! Oh, chef ka naman ha.
My head hurts.
Dong Po Ro.
Naporo. Ano to? Parang Japanese? What cuisine?
Sa Chinese. Good?
Hot. Wow.
It's good? Yes. Another success. Oh yeah. Hit na! Good?
Okay.